Here's my new best friend, Campanelli. It removes stains from your rugs, and it is amazing. Let me show you. All you do is shake it up, really good. Shake it. And I would show you a dirty spot on my rug, but I don't have any because I cleaned everything with this. But you turn it straight upside down, and you don't have to bend over. You don't have to do anything except spray. You spray the dirty spot and then you just walk away. You don't have to do anything. When you come back, it's usually gone. If it isn't, you can take a swipe or two with a paper towel, spray it again, and that's usually all it takes. So I am so impressed. It is the best carpet shampoo cleaner I've ever used.